Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news and everything in the crypto space. I make videos where I review coin and talk about shitcoin, latest news, updates, and basically I make videos around the clock. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, it will be nice for you to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content you'll be among the first to see it. Without further ado, let's head over to CoinMarketCap, where I can review one of the biggest gainers today on CoinMarketCap. Now if you come to CoinMarketCap, you see that Pizza NFT is currently up 242% and it is among the biggest gainers on CoinMarketCap. I'll be looking at this token, I'll be giving you guys my honest opinion. So without further ado, I will go straight to reviewing this token. Before then, it is important for me to let you know that this is not a financial advice. All my videos are for educational purpose. Please make sure you watch to the end of this video so that you can have a better information before you finally draw your conclusion. Any form of investment you make is solely your decision. That being said, what I'll be doing is I'll be getting the information I can get on CoinMarketCap about the token while I go to the official website to review the website. I'll be showing you guys the red flags I pick from this review, and I'll go on BSC scan, check the token, check the orders, go to PooCoin.app, go to token sniffer. Then I give you guys all the information I've gathered. Then if it is outrightly a scam token, I'll tell you the token is a scam token based on the information I have. If it is not, or I'm not convinced, I'm just going to leave you guys with the information so you can make your own decision if you want to take a risk investing or not. So let's quickly head straight to the review of this particular token. So Pizza NFT, right? There's the market cap here is just $768,000, although it is not verified. This is the market cap. This market cap is very low, and the trading volume is $286,000, very low, and the fully diluted market cap is just $1 million. Is very low. This token is on the watch list of 1,051 people, built on the Binance Smart Chain. The white paper is here, and the website is www.pizzanft.com. So guys, the chart, this is today's chart. I'm going to check the last 7 days. The same thing, similar chart. The last 1 month, the same thing. Seems like this token was recently listed. So from what I can see here, this chart doesn't, I don't know, I'm not comfortable with the chart. But then let's move past the chart and let's see what this is about. They say Pizza NFT is an exclusive creator and developer of the Pizza Dough Astros, Astro Kungfu Fighter, Astro Jocks, Pizza Dough Astro NFT Characters will be in 2D, 3D and VR games. Okay. The Pizza Dough Astro Characters can be collected in many series of sets, Syria 002 2000. Basically, it's just so much they are saying here. This is majorly an NFT marketplace. That is what they are trying to let you guys know, that this is more of an NFT marketplace. So this is the official website. The buy, marketplace, NFT ecosystem, stake, roadmap, document, team and contract. Okay, this website doesn't look bad. Looks very colorful and looks fine. That's in my eyes, but it's not like one of the best websites I've seen. Now they say this is powered by Google Translate. Okay, this is actually funny. So you can change it to any language. Powered by Google Translate. Okay, so it never miss a drop. I'm just trying to go through this website to look for red flags. This is it has SSL certificate. That means this site is secured. The marketing buyback 3 + 1 4. This is a reflection token. Reflection, it gives reward to people, and they say the reflection is in BNB. Interesting. Okay, this is the roadmap. Well, this website looks very colorful, but this roadmap is so joined together. I don't really like the website personally. It looks colorful initially. I was liking the design from the top, but towards the down, from this roadmap downward, I don't really like it. The token economics is just hidden somewhere. It's too small. Then the roadmap is just so joined together. I cannot take my time to start reading the roadmap one after the other. Are they trying to say that they have been static audited? Okay, it is part of their roadmap to be edited by static. Their social media account, they have a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, TikTok, YouTube, this Discord, Reddit, LinkedIn. Come on, guys. They are according to what they are showing you, they are trying to tell you guys they are everywhere. So far, I'm not convinced with this project. I'm going to check their marketplace, their NFT marketplace, to see if there's anything there. Okay, Air NFT, Block Party, Cargo, Engine, Pizza ecosystem. Just going through the website. There's nothing here. This is a disclaimer. Okay. PR media. Okay, guys. Now let me go to where that matters the most for people that want to invest in this token. But this website doesn't look. It's not convincing for me. I'm not comfortable with the website. Currently, this token is held by 1,913 address, which is very low. Transfer is just 5,890, very low. Couple of people have bought this token. From what I can find there, let me see the holders. This particular one is in the bond address, 26%, 7% pancake swap. Then every other person is holding less than 3%, which is not bad, which is good. Let me go on token sniffer to get more information about this token. No, this is not the token I'm reviewing. Guys, please make sure you watch to the end. I'm going to copy this contract address, go on token sniffer to see. Let me open token sniffer. From token sniffer, I can check the liquidity pool and every other information I want to get. From the liquidity pool, I can tell you guys if this token is sellable, is an honeypot. If this token is a scam, from token sniffer you begin to get informations. So that's why I use token sniffer. Now there's internal error for this particular token on token sniffer, so I have to go back to BSC scan and go to the comments and see what people are saying about this token. From these comments, I've not gotten anything. Somebody said warning, low liquidity, very high slippage, around 35%. Low liquidity. So I'm going to go and confirm this. Right. Guys, for me to confirm this, I'm going to go to poolcoin.app. From poolcoin.app, from here I can find the liquidity. Look at it. Liquidity pool holdings is just 109 BNB. This liquidity is very low. You have difficulty selling this liquidity. The person that actually gave that comment on BSC scan is actually correct. So I'll tell you to be very careful with this token. If possible, you can hold your money, don't invest in this token. This token doesn't have adequate liquidity, and which is a very major problem, because you will find it difficult to sell the token in the long run if this liquidity is not enough. Another thing again is that the person gave concern of high slippage tolerance, and from what I've seen on the official website, this project, I don't know, I'm not impressed with it. I'm not impressed. This doesn't look solid to me. The number of people holding the token are just very few. The market cap is very low. So from all this information, from the market cap, the people holding the token, the liquidity and everything, I'll tell you to avoid this project. I'm not going to call it a scam, but then I'll tell you to avoid it, because if you invest in this project, you might have difficulty selling. That being said, you can go on to do your own research if you still want to go ahead and invest. At least some people are already investing in it. This is not a financial advice. It's basically for educational purpose. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I review token, you'll be among the first to see it. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.